Scotch Box. The Scotch Box lesson, I've probably sent you, you're probably here because I sent you here earlier in one of the lessons if things were getting too complex, or you're here because we just covered advanced provisioning where we were trying to figure out like easier way to do provisioning. Now, obviously none of this stuff doesn't require like a little bit of work on your part. What if there was an easier way? And that's where Scotchbox comes in. And Scotchbox, I want to kind of show you what Scotchbox is. It's a pre-configured Vagrant box. So if we go to our slides, and if you remember this, Vagrant dissected, we had a box and a provider, and then we had to manually do networking, syncing, provisioning, and all this stuff. We had to figure this out through writing it in our Vagrant file, and we had to manually do our provisioning through our scripts. It's a lot of work. What if I just wanted like a basic LAMP stack or LEMP stack with Nginx? Now, the way Scotchbox works is it skips all this and it packages in the base operating system everything. So it's a pre-provisioned box. So when you run Vagrant up, you don't have to provision anything, and you have Apache, PHP. It's all baked into the box. Now the box is a little bit bigger to download, but it's a lot easier to work with. So I made this a long time ago just because I was always having issues with. I was having a lot of issues with provisioning myself, and I wanted a simpler way. And I tried this, it worked, and I actually haven't turned back since. Since then, it's taken off a little bit. And to show you just how easy it is, let's go to Scotchbox Git repo. And we're probably gonna have a course on this, or check the Scotchbox docs if you wanna read more, but I just wanna kind of tease this out. You have your Vagrant set up. So I've already set up your folder structure. I've already set up your Vagrant file. All you need to do is clone this repo and run Vagrant up. This is the entire Vagrant file. And me to kill it off with, or me to take this file without comments, this is what we're working with. It's just these 4 items. We're importing Scotchbox, which is hosted on Vagrant Cloud. I've already set up the networking. I've already set up the rules that we've covered when we were syncing folders. And this box already has inside of it everything for provisioning. So just to recap, you can go to the website, and if you wanted, there's Node, curl, and I just put everything possible on here. So it will cover pretty much 99% of use cases. I can't imagine it not supporting whatever framework or CMS or whatever you're using. So check it out and try it out and see if it works for you.